We're on the way to the next part of the journey.
I just got in the movie with new wig. I'm spinning skirt.
So I was trying to figure out why my horn isn't working. So when I press this, I can hear something clicking. HRV, there's only a horn relay, not a horn fuse. And it's this relay here, which controls the horn. So you see when I press the button, you can hear it clicking. I said, wait a second, let me find the actual horn, which is down here, supposed to be on the radiator support. Loose wire hanging. I go down here, and there's no freaking horn. But I see where it was. You can see the phantom horn right there. A reason why it's good to have parts storage from the junkyard. I pulled this horn that I had. I believe it's from a CRV. You can fact check me on that. This one has a 2-wire connector, and the blue-red matches, but the white-green is a ground, so I'm going to wire this up, and hopefully it fixes my problem. So I need the mounting bolt for the horn on the radiator support. Luckily I have a cord of Honk bolts, and I need a ring terminal on the green-white to go over that mounting bolt so it can ground it. Perfect. Let me just make sure this fits the car. Here's the OEM wire. I don't want to cut it off just because I'm a purist like that. So I'm going to splice it in with this. So it snaps in, and now I just have to put this as the ground wire. Now you see I'm going to be screwing it in here, which is the OEM mounting point, and I'm going to ground the wire. Seems snug to me. Let's test it out. Bam. Got a working horn for free because I hoarded some junkyard parts. Here it is. Factory mounting point, grounded, keeping the OEM wiring just spliced in. Thanks for tuning in. This is a pretty niche repair, so I didn't think there'd be any documentation on it. Wish there wasn't, but now we got it. Thanks for watching.